Kaya kung kaya po pangarap kayong bunso na bigyan na ng puro kayong kapatid. Isaw sa ate po. Salamat po na rin ang aking bunso. Kaya manuyang ko. Kaya ang aking. Pero salamat po.
Paano ba yan, Mami Divine? Natalo ko sa challenge natin. Nakita ko nang inilit yung luha mo. Paano ba yan? So, thank you so much for that heartfelt message. Truly, your love and guidance shine through the woman your daughter is becoming. And now, we move on to one of the most meaningful parts of tonight's celebration, the 18 Roses Dance. We call all the 18 Roses participants to please settle on the side. This tradition honors the gentlemen who have made a mark in our debutant's life. Each dance represents love, respect, and the beautiful memories we share with her as she steps into the group. Gentlemen, get ready to lead her to the dance floor with class, charm, and gentle steps. As we begin the 18 Roses dance, may we kindly remind our gentleman of a few things. Once your name is called, please approach our debutant, gracefully hand her the rose, smile for a quick photo opportunity, and if possible, enjoy a short 30-second dance with her. To start the 18 Roses dance, may we call on